Do you want to be able to fix this reel is unavailable in Instagram? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, because if you miss out on some of these steps that I'm going to show you, well, then probably it will not work for you, just so you know. And the first step is going to be quite simple. We need to firstly go into our Instagram app, and then of course come to your Instagram like account, and then come to your profile right here. Now, when you're on your profile, then the first step is going to be for you to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. Now you should be taken to this page right here. So you can see what you're going to do in here is to click on settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Now in here, we're just going to scroll down. So keep scrolling down until you can see where it says help. So click on help. Now click on reports a problem. Once again, click on reports a problem. Click on include and continue, and then you should be taken to this page right here. The reason why you need to come to this page right here is because in here we're actually able to contact the Instagram customer service team, and they are the ones that can help us to fix this problem basically. So I did this exact same thing, because I used to have the exact same thing with like this reel is unavailable in Instagram. Like all of the times I've got that kind of message, but then I solved it by going into this page right here, and I'm just going to write like this to them now. So you need to actually write like this for it to work. I am, oh, sorry. I am having issues with my Instagram reels. I keep getting this error message. This reel is unavailable in Instagram. I need this to be fixed. So basically, write like this to them. I'm having issues with my Instagram Reels. I keep getting this error message. This reel is unavailable in Instagram. I need this to be fixed. Now, when you're done, just click on send in the top right corner. What you need to do now is to wait like 24 hours, maybe 48 hours, like 24 to 48 hours, and then come back into your Instagram and then check again. And hopefully, after that, this problem will be solved for you. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.